Lahat yata ng beauty services sa buong Pilipinas, ako na nagpauso. In the 1980s, lahat ng tao takot magpakulay ng buhok. Ang uso that time ay yung bijin. Only go in dark. Pag matatanda, bibigyan para mangitim yung buhok. No blonde, no brown, no nothing. Pero in the 1980s, pinausa ko na yung crazy color. Model ko si Chicky Holman, Sharon Cuneta, Pops Fernandez, Dulce Locban, Helen Gamboa, Dina Bonneby, all of them. Na ang dami-daming kulay ng buhok. May violet, may pink, may green, may apple green. Iba-iba na kulay ng buhok. And you know, for you to do that in a very conservative business sector na usay magpaitim lang ng buhok, I'm so much advanced. Tapos, dumating naman yung after 6 years, pinauso ko naman yung crazy curls. Model ko naman sila Ami Austria, sila Nadia Montenegro, na yung buhok ay iba-ibang klaseng kulot. May looping, may spiral, may kinky, may lahat-lahat. Sumunod, pinauso ko na naman yung whisper, na kung saan lahat ng lalaki naglalagay ng a very light color in their hair, and so many more. But the biggest invention that I have created 22 years ago was the rebonding. Dati kasi, usong-uso yung nagpapa-relax. Gumagamit sila ng mga relaxing medicine, which is very, very bad for the hair because yung gamot na ginagamit nila is lye. Yung lye, panlinis ang inidoro, panlinis ang aircon. Nilalagay ng hair conditioner, lalagay sa buhok, pagkalagay shampoo, agad straight na yung buhok. But pinag-aralan ko yung rebonding hanggang sa naging big hit ito. Naging model ko naman si Rupa Gutierrez, si Wilma Dasen, sino pa ba? Napakaraming artista. Naging model ko na kung saan ay straight na straight ang buhok at tuwan-tuwa sila at become permanent. Tapos sumunod yung hair reborn, sumunod yung hair shining, sumunod ang hair spa, nauso yung milk ribbon, gold ribbon. I keep on competing on myself. Lagi kong kinakalaban yung sarili ko. Lagi akong invento ng invento. Aral ako ng aral because I believe that hair is science. I take it as a science. Kaya pinag-aaralan ko. I don't take it as just mere hair that I will just cut and blow her. No. I study. Pinag-aaralan ko anong status ng buhok. Pag nilagay ko to, ano magiging side effect. Ano magiging gamot after. Lahat yan pinag-aaralan ko.